Summer is here, and so we have created the perfect summer diffuser blend for you. Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth with another natural recipe to make your home more natural. For this recipe, you'll need head soothing essential oil blend and the Anise Star, Palmarosa, and Grapefruit Essential Oils. I'm going to add 1 drop of each to my diffuser to diffuse and bring summer into my home. Once you realize how much you love this blend, create a master blend with a 5 milliliter bottle using 25 drops of each of these oils. And when you're ready to use it, just add a few drops to your diffuser and you've got summer day ready to go. To get everything you need for this recipe, subscribe to our Simply Earth recipe box. This month, we're focusing on all new summer recipes to bring a natural twist to your summer. It comes with all the oils you see here, plus 5 more natural recipes and extras like aloe vera to make your summer more natural. And don't wait to subscribe, because when you do, we'll throw in our big bonus box, which comes with things like your 5 milliliter bottle and other containers, along with carrier oils and the things you need to make this recipe box come to life to make your home natural.